everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the model question paper of the digital electronics, which is having the subject code as DEC 2511. So this is the based on the Karnataka State Diploma College. So the first question about this, it is having three parts, part A, B and C. Part A and B are having multiple questions. Part A, first question is binary number system uses, the answer is C, as binary means by means 2. So by is represent like option C is the correct, 0 as 1. Second question is decimal equivalent of binary 1011. So first again we are going to calculate in the remembering like 1 to 4 8 series, like binary series like 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2 and 2 raised to 3. So that will become 8421. So wherever the numbers are given, we just have to add like 8 plus 2 plus 1, this is equal to 11. So B option is the correct. Now the third one is the gray code is primarily used to. So gray code it is used in many purposes like minimizing the errors. Next question, a logic gate with output 1 when all inputs are 0. Again we have to remember this all the outputs of these gates. So first OR gate, it is adding everything like 0 plus 1 is also 1. AND gate is the combination when all inputs are high, that time it will give the output as high. But here the question is what? Output is 1 when all inputs are 0. So that time the option NOR is the correct answer. So which gate is called a universal gate? NAND gate, NAND and NOR both are the universal gate. So among these the NAND is the correct one. Next, SOP stands for. So SOP, it is the basic thing, sum of products. Next, KMAP, it is used for what? Boolean simplification. As we all know, the mathematical representation of the Boolean equation that is used for the KMAP. The output of an XOR gate is high when the inputs are different. Okay. So remembering like the different combination like 0 1 and 1 0, that time the XOR gate output it is high. So which of these is not a combinational circuit? All we are know that sequential circuits are flip-flops. Okay. So here is not a combinational circuit means what? It is a sequential. So sequential circuit is a flip-flop. Among these combinational circuits are half adder, encoder and multiplexers. Next question. In the practical you must remember the IC numbers. Okay. So IC 7486 represents. So first of all you should remember the every gate IC numbers like AND, OR, NAND, XOR, everything. Okay. So before doing the any practical, you just see the every number of the IC. So 7486 it represents the XOR gate. Next, the basic building blocks of a digital circuits are logic gates. Logic gates is the basic. So inside the logic gates we get the resistors and everything, transistor. But basic building is what? Logic gate. Next, 4:1 mux has. It is having how many? They have given like here input line, select line. First we are before going to write the correct answer, first we have to search of the correct options. Read the options carefully because here it makes the confusions. So 2 input lines, that's also wrong. 4 output lines, that also wrong. 4 select lines, see here again they have given the select lines to make the confusion. Okay, so 4:1 mux is having the 4 input lines and 2 select lines. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. So ASCII code is used for, so ASCII it is what? To represent the characters. Okay, so in our computer it is used for the ASCII codes. A full subtractor has how many inputs? So full means what? Wherever there is full adder, full subtractor, the input should be a 3 like A, B and C. So in BCD code, decimal 9 is represented as. So 0 to 9 numbers are the binary, and that will be represented as the decimal. Okay, BCD name. So 1001, it's a correct answer. Okay, so remember these all. Give the correct answer before thinking about the correct option. Read the correct options carefully. Okay, thank you.